Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Right now, to those of you that have never followed me on Telegram channel, I will put a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So check the comment section. You'll see a link to my Telegram channel. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. So I'll be putting out tons of information, a whole lot of useful information, right? I'll be putting it out there so you'll be useful, useful information on the forex market and some signals. By the way, I'll be sharing it on that on my Telegram channel. So follow me on Telegram, you'll get it. Now let's see what this GBP JPY will be showing us for the next day. Right now, personally, I'm going to say personally, I'll be very careful taking a buy on GBP JPY because with what I'm saying, kind of like a drop is coming anytime soon. Probably we might not get it tomorrow. GBP JPY can go ahead and give us a bullish move. But personally, I would want to stay away from this trade till I get a setup to go ahead and sell. That is when I'll take a sell. But right now, price is still moving within this level, right? Price might very much likely to range for some times on this 30 minutes time frame, give us back and forth movements. Probably till I start seeing multiple break of structure downward, then I might consider going ahead and sell. But right now you can see this price here, come here, we can see it on this forward time frame also. We can see price very much likely to drop. Then once it drops, we might see another bullish move. So basically, we would want to trade with how the price is moving, right? So that is what we'll be doing. So taking a buy, to break above this resistance level would be a bit risky, by the way, because there's a possibility price might not, drop. Because I mean, take a look at this massive movement that JBP JPY has given us, right? So I mean, you should be very, very careful going ahead and take that buy because I know a lot of traders, definitely a whole lot of traders would want to go ahead and take that buy because they see, okay, this is a massive bullish move. Then they will now start seeing this as a correction, right? Then what they will now start aiming for is another taking a buy. A lot of people start taking a buy, going up, and boom, the market will now start falling and take a lot of people's stop loss. So that is what I'm saying. Let us be careful taking a buy. By the way, if in case GBP JPY give us that bullish move for the next day, give us that buy, there's no problem. If you want to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and do that. And if you want to trade with what price is actually showing by ranging with this 30 minutes time frame, I think that would be the best. Where you just have to come to this resistance level, then look to sell straight to this support level on GBP JPY.